You applied for the YouTube monetization, and with the third steps where they review your channel, you are waiting, and finally the message came. You were not able to monetize your channel because of reused content. This is a sad news. So today's video, I will take you through reused content, where we get those videos or audios from, and how to solve this problem so that you can monetize your channel. Make sure you watch the entire video, because at the end I will tell you when to delete those videos. Whether we are going to delete the videos or not, I will tell you what to do so that you can monetize your channel. The exact time that you can delete your videos when you have reused content in your videos. So make sure you stick to the end of the video. Simple like that. Let's move on with today's video. On my other channel, I met the 1000 subscribers, the 4000 watch hours, and I applied for the YouTube partnership program. During the monetization process, the message that came, I have reused content, and this is a sad news. So today I want to walk you through what I did that I got the reused content, so that you will end up doing the same thing. So make sure you watch the entire video without wasting much of your time. Let's move on. So now the question is, what are reused content and where do we get these content? Let me give you simple definition of reused content. Reused content, they are the content which already exists in the YouTube system. People have already used those content. So when you use those content in your videos and apply for the YPP, YouTube will tell you they are already in our system, and we are paying those people who have used those videos. So we can't pay somebody who is using the same video in their content. So YouTube will reject your monetization. Simple like that. And where do we get this reused content? Reused content, we get them from those websites which promise us that we can use their videos for free, and we too we go on use them in our videos, either sound effects, videos, or audios. Put in mind, reused content are different from copyright. Okay, so when we go to websites and download those free videos and we use them, we will get reused content. Why? Because they are already in the system, and nobody will pay for something which already exists. That's why YouTube will not monetize your channel. Anyway, you still want to use those videos. How do we use them? If you want to use those videos, make sure you are doing 80% of the work and using those videos at least 10% or 20% in your editing. Okay, so if I take practical example, whilst I'm talking to you, you are seeing me. Okay, so at a point, if I put something to give you visual understanding, if I put any video at a certain point, so this video will be monetized. Why? Because I'm the one showing up. Almost 80% you are seeing me. So at a certain point, if I put any video there, they will still monetize this video. That's how you can use those free videos. So put in mind, if you still want to use them, know how you can use them. Criticize the videos, adding voiceovers, and doing something which will make the videos unique from those that are already existing in the system. You can still use them, but make sure you use them well. My advice to you, if you want to stay safe in the YouTube game, never ever trust anything free. Okay, if a website is promising you that you can use these free things, never ever trust them. I want you to do this. Whenever you watch a video that tells you that you can go and download videos from here and use them in your videos, I want you to watch their channels, whether they are using it. I want you to watch their terminals, whether they are using those pictures. Bro, YouTube is a business, so people can give you false information. So make sure you do your own research. whenever you are adding something to your content. Simple like that. Never trust anything free. Watch the video to the end because I will tell you where you can get free music and stay safe in the YouTube game. So subscribe to join the community for free. Like the video if it helps you, and also comment, let me know where you are watching me from. Without wasting much of your time, if you want to use any music, the only place that I will tell you is to use the music in the YouTube audio library, or the sound effects in the YouTube audio library, or produce it yourself. Aside that, never use anything from outside YouTube audio library. If you are about to apply for monetization, this is what I will tell you. Now, let's get to the most important part of this video. Let's pause. I want you to do me a simple favor, and it costs nothing to do this favor. Number one, click on the like button. By doing this, you are telling YouTube to promote this video to anyone who is searching for this content. Number two, subscribe to join the community for free. Why must you subscribe? Over here, I take you through financial freedom, building wealth together step by step, the online hustling, the money tips, financial advice that I've gotten from rich people are what I share over here. Over here, no scamming, real proof, no fake lies. I take you through step by step process. The goal is to build three things: one, financial freedom; two, time freedom; and three, location freedom. So subscribe as I count 1, 2, 3. Thank you for subscribing. Let's move on with today's video. The question is, what can you do if you have reused content? And the whole YouTube game, you can't monetize your channel if you have reused content. So what can you do now? What I will tell you, if you have enough watch hours, don't delete those videos now. Keep on uploading new content, but make sure these contents are original. Okay, so when you are about to apply for the YouTube monetization, the moment you click apply, I want you to delete all the reused content videos. If you click on the apply, that second, the moment you click apply, go and delete all those videos. Trust me, your watch hours will drop the next day or the next 2 days, and this will not affect the process. They will still monetize your channel. Okay, so wait, when you are about to apply for the monetization, if you have enough watch hours, when you are about to apply for the monetization, when you click apply, then you delete all the videos, you still be monetized. But if you don't have any watch hours, I want you to delete those videos now. Delete them and start everything from scratch. This is the true story that I will tell you. If your watch hour is less, just delete them and start. Stick to the YouTube policy. Go and learn, and never trust any free content. This is what I can tell you. So if you found this video to be helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. You can call me Speezy, Table with Speezy, the money preacher. Yes, and I like it and I want it, and you also have to get it. It is all about success. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.